Welcome to BestSub Stainless Steel Water Bottle Factory, located in Yongkang City, Zhejiang Province, covering an area of 7,000 square meters, with 3 key production lines to manufacture high-quality water bottles and best-selling stainless steel drinkware. We are equipped with professional technology, equipment, personnel, and a complete manufacturing process to expand our business and serve customers around the world. From turning a flat stainless steel material into every finished stainless steel water bottle, we have to go through a complete and professional manufacturing process. We strive to exceed our customers' expectations with every order. Your every customization need is important, and we are here to provide you with a variety of custom solutions. Contact us for more details.